Hi Jack, how is your day going? Hey David, it's been good so far. Just a bit busy. How about yours? Not too bad. I have been working on a project for work. What about the weekend plans? I'm thinking of going hiking on Saturday. Need a break from the routine. How about you? That sounds great. I might catch up on some reading and maybe watch a movie. By the way, have you read anything interesting lately? Yeah, I recently finished a mystery novel. It kept me hooked till the end. Any recommendations? Oh, I have been into historical fiction lately. The Nightingale is a captivating read. Did you catch the latest episode of that new series? Not yet. I've been meaning to watch it. Is it worth the hype? Definitely. The plot twists are unexpected. Let me know when you watch it. We can discuss. Have you tried that new restaurant downtown? Not yet, but I've heard good things. We should plan to check it out together sometime. Any favorite recipes you have been cooking lately? I have been experimenting with some Thai dishes. Pad Thai turned out surprisingly well. What's your go-to comfort food? Spaghetti bolognese is my comfort classic. It's easy to make and always hits the spot. By the way, did you hear about the upcoming changes at work? Yeah, there are rumors about a reorganization, uncertain times ahead. How are you feeling about it? A bit anxious, to be honest. I hope it brings positive changes. Any exciting travel plans for the year? I'm thinking of beach vacation in the summer. Need some sun and relaxation. What about you? Nice choice. I'm considering a road trip to the mountains, fresh air and scenic views. Before we wrap up, any recent achievements or milestones you'd like to share? Well, I finally completed that online course I've been procrastinating on. Feels good to tick that off the list. How about you? Congratulations! I recently hit a personal fitness goal. Small victories, but they count. Alright, it's been great catching up, but I should get back to work. Let's plan that weekend hike soon. Definitely. Let me know when you are free. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye. Okay. Goodbye.